Today is a moment of profound national pride and historic importance for Pakistan. We salute our national heroes, Chief of Army Staff, Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, Chairman, Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee, General Zahir Shamshad Mirza, Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar, and Naval Chief Admiral Naveed Ashraf. You have led our brave armed forces to a remarkable victory against an enemy caught in its own web of arrogance and hubris. By the grace of Allah Almighty, our armed forces not only defended the nation's frontiers, but also took the battle deep into the enemy's territory. And within no time, the aggressor was brought to its knees and was taught a lesson of its life. Ladies and gentlemen, in the annals of regional conflict and diplomacy, what transpired during those challenging days will not only be remembered for all times to come as an outstanding military victory, but also as a moral and diplomatic triumph.